Hi, Paul from Overlanding with Bruno, and stopped by. He also just purchased this ambulance a couple days ago, and he asked me to give him a hand with the electrical and design. It is quite a bit of mess. The person who owned it before just tore everything apart, and some things weren't hooked up. So we already found an issue with the truck batteries. We want to fix that. The truck battery first. I'm going to redo the batteries in here, and we're also going to I'm going to help him redo the inside because it's a mess. We'll just look at the back. And they tore off the door panels. There's no locks on it, and we're going to just basically gut it on the inside and redo everything. The electrical for the truck and for the house batteries. Paul showed up this morning. He said he had trouble starting the vehicle, so I took a look at the truck batteries. The negative terminal was very corroded and falling apart, and the positive side had a nail holding the terminal in place. So I've repaired the negative terminal, and I've asked Paul to order a new terminal for the positive on the battery, and I'll replace that later. Take a quick look inside before Paul starts ripping it apart. It was really gutted. Not impressed at all with the work that was done.
I'm going to take a rest here for a minute. We're emptying the inside. Wayne has started. I'm going to come around the corner here, watch my step. Wayne has started on fixing the door here.
The rivets are all busted.
Yeah, Wayne said all the rivets are broken, the door's sagging, so he's got all these fancy tools here. He's going to fix that door up just like he did the battery. And there he goes.
Let's see if we got the right size.
He obviously recommended to just rip it all apart. Rip it all apart and just start from fresh. And that's what we're gonna do, because I want to put some fans on the top here. Do it properly. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna gut it all. We're getting there. By the end of the day, this will all be gutted up. Here goes. Well. Whoop. Wayne has riveted all the new rivets in. Guys, Wayne has fixed the door here. What exactly did you do, Wayne?
I just put in a security lock. Right now it's can only be in the lock position when you take out the key. So this is temporary measure. So he actually has the door locked. So I can take the key in. So if I turn it the right way, and I can unlock the door. Goes down, locks into place.
So that's a temporary fix until Wayne's got some ideas to get the electric lock working, but that'll be down the road.
And
but
to unlock it from the inside, but this is so you can actually lock it at night and you don't have to worry about somebody stealing something.
yeah, so the door wasn't locking, so Wayne's fixed it now, so we can lock it at nighttime at least.
Well, we got the ambulance pretty well gutted. There was really nothing in there that we wanted to keep. It was all sort of Mickey Mouse together, and it was a lot of fun doing the work. We got the back door fixed, we got the lock replaced, batteries temporary fixed for his truck batteries. And like I say, Paul's ordered a whole bunch of new parts, and when they come in, I'll be helping him install them. So his ambulance is pretty well the same as mine, so it's could be fun to see you doing a little different design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you already haven't. and hit that bell icon just to be notified of new and future videos.